मैं 4 साल की उम्र से मैंने स्कीइंग स्टार्ट की थी।
I started skiing when I was 4 years old. My village had heavy snowfall every year, and 4 of my brothers used to ski on the natural slopes as a hobby. I used to join them just for fun.
तो वहाँ से लकड़ी की स्की से मैंने स्टार्ट ली।
We didn't have any professional gear. We would ski with logs of wood.
तो हम शुरू में ही जब मैं भाई के
My
साथ
brothers used to tell me that one cannot be a good skier if she or he does it with fear in mind.
डर होगा तो आप अच्छे स्कीयर।
A beginner usually starts at mid-slopes, but my brothers would take me right on the top of the peak in my village and inspire me to ski to the bottom. I used to fall and I made mistakes a few times, but I picked up within no time.
इस कंपटीशन में
Participation in Sochi Olympics would give me a chance to train myself well, and meeting other Winter Olympians will give me a great exposure and experience. Most importantly, it will give me a chance to ski on one of the world's highest and toughest slopes. I think this experience would mean a lot to my career.
सबसे हार्ड स्लोप्स पे स्कीइंग करने का मौका मिलता है। मैं समझता हूँ मेरे करियर में
If a skier thinks about falling down while skiing, the desired results would not be achieved. When I am skiing, only the goal is on my mind. All I think at that time is that I have to ski down really fast and cover the given time.
बहुत तेज जाना है और मेरे टाइम्स।
One of my coaches once told me that a sports person should never consider any competition small or big. Every challenge should be faced with the same mindset and passion. I always keep that in mind and think of every skiing competition as my last competition. That way, I ensure that I give it my best.
तब जाके आप उस चीज़ को आप स्की को अपनी फुल परफॉर्मेंस को आप शो कर सकेंगे।